Alright, so a few days ago I showed you how configurable Typetura could be, but I didn't show you the setup and how to get there. So first things first, you go to typetura.com and you can sign up for an account. Once you've signed up, you can choose a package that you might like, copy and paste the embed code, and then add that to the header of your website. Once that's done, we can get started. So here is the same demo I showed you last time, but I left this first card and this headline unstyled. Alright, so here's this travel headline that we saw on our page, and we want this to be really big. There are a few different ways to do this. Some people might think in utility classes. So we could write a long string of classes onto our element to make it styled like that. Or we could go into the CSS and write specific styles to make this particular headline really big. Typetura does neither of those things. Because it's content aware, we can use one semantic headline and say this is the primary headline. Save that, and when we refresh our page, we have a large headline here. Now let's style this card itself. So we have a number of elements here, and again, there are no typographic styles written here. All of these classes that exist are here for layout, not typographic style. So again, we want it to be a fairly big headline, not as big as the other one, but let's just try this out and see what happens if we write primary headline again. Now we can go back and refresh our page, and we have this is a headline here. You could see there are two different sizes, and that's because the context is different, and Typetura knows to restyle based on these different contexts. So there's nothing else I need to do other than write a singular class here. I don't need to write any modifier classes. I don't need to write any particular component overrides. All I have to do is add the class that labels this is a headline. So let me quickly fill out all of these other styles for this page. So this is a primary subheadline. The author tag is meta information. So I'm going to be using a meta in a few different places. So meta there, meta there, and I think that's it. So I'll quickly save that. And then when we refresh our page, everything is where we expect it to be and styled how we might expect it to be. Just like last time, I can go to settings and adjust things that we might want to adjust. But you can see how quickly you can work when you don't have to work with utility classes or particular component style overrides.